Monopoly Harry Potter, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Money is replaced by house points, and the banker is called the prefect. Give the prefect badge, and each player starts the game with 300 house points as seen here. Shuffle the owl postcards, including the red howlers, and place them face down in the owl postcard holder on its spot on the board. Each player picks a house and takes a matching house card. Instead of buying properties, you explore locations, common rooms, and spells and pay for them with house points. In auctions, bidding starts at 10 points and increases in any amount as little as 10. When you land on the unexplored common room that matches your own house, you get to explore it for free. If your house's common room was already explored, then you don't pay them rent. Houses and hotels have been replaced by house crests. Each location may only have one house crest on it, and you don't have to place your own color. You receive the increase in rent for any color. House crests sell back to the bank for the same price you paid for them. You cannot trade house crests. When you land on or pass go, collect 20 house points. The cost to get out of jail is 10 house points. The game ends immediately when all the locations have been explored. Then, all the players still left in the game receive house points from the bank for each of their explored properties at their current rent value. Then, the player with the most points wins.